Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
While we haven't come across reported deaths of people dying by holding in their sneezes, technically it's not impossible to die from holding in a sneeze. Some injuries from holding in a sneeze can be very serious, such as ruptured brain aneurysms, ruptured throat, and collapsed lungs. 29 August 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Yes, you can sneeze with your eyes open. And, no, the schoolyard legend, if you sneeze with your eyes open, your eyeballs will pop out of your head, isn't true. Keep reading to learn more about the mechanisms of sneezing, and why our eyes automatically close when we do.
Let's help you make your mark.
Something to sneeze at. Men and women blink at the same rate, too. That is, about 10 times a minute, or once every 6 seconds. The instigation of the eye blink is even faster than the blink itself. 3 June 2014.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.